Ooh. Yeah. This is cute. This is perfect for New Year's. This look is super cute for New Year's Eve or New Year's Day. The colors are very neutral, so I feel like it'll go with everything. It's easy to do. I feel like it'll complement every eye shape. And I don't know, I just think this is super perfect for the event. First, I'm starting off with my eyeshadow base, and this is from P. Louise. It's in the shade 03, and I'm just lightly packing that onto my lids. I'm not using too much, but it just gives your eyeshadow something to stick to. And I'm just going to blend that out with my fingers because I just find it easier that way. And then the first shade that we're going to use is this beautiful chocolate brown, and I'm using an angled brush to define my crease. I'm not dragging it all the way out because that's not the look that I'm going for today, but I'm also going to do a wing with that same brown. And then I'm taking this orangey brown and I'm just going to diffuse that dark brown that we placed first in the crease and on the wing, as you guys can see. And then I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm using the same eyeshadow base. This is so much easier if you use a super flat brush. I couldn't find it, so I had to make it do what it do, but find you a flat brush. Going back in with that orangey brown and just blending out some more. This look was nothing but blending. And as you can see, I only used 3 shades from one palette, so it's super easy to do. Then I'm just going to clean up that little liner that we made, make it super sharp. I'm using concealer, by the way. And now onto the face, I'm using this e.l.f. hydrating primer, and I didn't want to go too deep into detail about how I do my base because I'm going to do a video on that later, but I am showing you all the products that I use. And recently I've been using a brush to blend out my concealer because I find that it gives you a more full coverage look. So if you're going for something more glam, use a brush. Going for something natural, then use a beauty blender. And then I'm taking my Holy Grail banana powder and I'm just going to put that on. I'm not baking. This is not 2011. We're not baking anymore. Then I'm going to contour with this True Complexion contour palette from Black Radiance. And I already contoured, but this is just setting that cream concealer that I used. Look at the cutie. Then taking those 2 shades on the right, the top and bottom, that orangey one and that pink one. I can't pronounce them. I always mix these 2 shades. And I'm just going to apply that. I don't know why I put it on my chin. It's crazy. Then I'm taking this Juvia's Place highlighter. I think this is number 2. So I decided to not edit my eyelash application so you guys can see that in real time it can be super easy to do if you just let your glue get a little tacky. If it's still wet, it's going to move around. You might get glue in your eye. You might want to throw the whole look away. So just relax, be patient, let it dry a little bit before putting it on, and then boom, look at that. Place it and then do your corners. Very easy. Cutie. And then my lips. I can't remember this combo, but I use it all the time. Both are from NYX. I use like a dark brown shade and then a nude. I'll put the names down below because I just can't remember them. But this is my favorite lip combo. And as you can see, I could not cover up that pimple, so I just decided to make a little beauty mark. That's what we do. This look was supposed to be for New Year's Eve, but I got really sick, so sorry about that. But I find that this is very cute, super easy to do, and perfect for so many events. Hope you guys enjoyed, and subscribe for more.